left information at Yankee now current, altimeter 3000.
Flaps set and departure time 8 a.m. Whoops, 8 a.m. on the fuel. Let's activate our flight plan. Activate, yes. Remind me to close plan. You're good to go. All right. Landing light is on, fuel pump is on, transponder is set. 6275, 6275, mixture is full rich. Doors are locked. Checklist is complete. And we've got tower. Kissimmee Tower, Cherokee 154, Echo Romeo, number 133, left down 1 departure request.
Number 154, Echo Romeo, Kissimmee Tower, left turn out, runway 33, clear for takeoff.
Left turn out, clear runway 33 for takeoff, 4 Echo Romeo. All looks good.
4 Echo Romeo, sorry about that, right turn out, runway 33, clear for takeoff.
Right turn out, clear for takeoff 334 Echo Romeo. All right, I see runway 33. Line it up 3333, full power. Gauges look good, and all in the green. Airspeed's alive. 60, 65.
Kissimmee Tower, Star 2.
Star 2 down.
On the ramp of the Yankee, eastbound.
Star 2, eastbound's approved.
Eastbound, Star 2.
November 4 Echo Romeo, let's go ahead and turn left southbound for now.
Okay, turning left for southbound 4 Echo Romeo.
November 4 Echo Romeo, you can proceed on course, contact Orlando departure.
On course, over to departure, good morning 4 Echo Romeo.
157 Tango Alpha fighting 270. Air 154 Echo Romeo, if you're with me, ident.
We're with you, and here's your ident.
4 Echo Romeo, if you want higher right away, I need to turn you back out to a 240 heading. Are you okay with that, or would you like to just stay below the Bravo?
We'll stay below the Bravo for now, 4 Echo Romeo.
4 Echo Romeo, radar contact just southwest of Kissimmee. Proceed on course outside the Bravo.
Okay, proceed on course below Bravo, 4 Echo Romeo.
All right, who else is calling for flight following? Ready?
Oh, this is so cool.
It really is.
I don't know if you can see how pretty the water is. The color is turquoise. Hopefully it will show up in the videos.
Approach Cherokee 154 Echo Romeo with information. Mike, airport in sight.
November 4 Echo Romeo, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved, see ya.
Frequency change approved. Have a good day, 4 Echo Romeo.
There aren't too many people who live down here. The houses are kind of farther apart, not like huge condos and...
Moon landing runway 4, so that means we're going to cut probably that way in just a minute.
Okay.
Can you see the airport? It's a lot of flat concrete. You see some hangars out there.
Yep.
Yep.
Class Delta in 4.3 miles.
Vero Beach Tower, Cherokee 154 Echo Romeo, 9 miles northwest, inbound for landing with information, Mike.
Calling Vero Beach Tower, say again.
Cherokee 154 Echo Romeo, 9 miles northwest, full stop with Mike.
November 154 Echo Romeo, Vero Beach Tower, make left traffic runway 4.
Left traffic, one way for Echo Romeo. Landing light on, fuel pump mixture, fullest tank flaps we will deal with later.
Vero Beach Tower, bearing 234 Mike Golf, 10 miles southwest, landing Mike.
There in 234 Mike Golf, Vero Beach Tower, make straight at runway 4, clear to land, wind 040.
Seatbelts and...
Land 4 Mike Golf.
November 4 Echo Romeo, extend down, you're going to follow a Baron on a 4-mile final.
Extender downwind, follow the banner on the final for Echo Romeo. Should be on my left wing.
November 4 Echo Romeo, base your discretion, you're number 1, runway 4, clear to land, wind 030 at 11.
Yeah, he's already landed.
Turning base, 4 Echo Romeo, clear to land, runway 4, 4 Echo Romeo.
Mike Golf going over the restaurant ramp.
Number 4 Mike Golf, turn right on Charlie, Charlie to the ramp.
Charlie to the ramp, 4 Mike Golf, thanks.
November 4 Echo Romeo, where are you parking?
We're going to the restaurant.
November 4 Echo Romeo, go down to Charlie, Charlie to the restaurant.
Right on Charlie, Charlie to the restaurant, 4 Echo Romeo. And not my best. I've had softer landings.
Yeah, I know. I was going to say anything. Also, first time at this airport and the runway you weren't expecting, so.
You're always being sweet about these things.